If your watch is not recording advanced sleep monitoring information, please reference this video to solve your problem. First, ensure that your watch is compatible with advanced sleep monitoring. This video will use the Fenix 7 watch as a demonstration. Please refer to the video description section for more information. 1. Set your watch as a primary wearable. If you have more than one device, please ensure to set the watch for sleep monitoring as a primary wearable on your Garmin Connect app. This will ensure your watch to monitor your sleep data. 2. Ensure wrist heart rate is enabled. Please make sure your wrist heart rate feature is enabled on your watch. This will allow the device to track your heart rate when monitoring your sleep data. 3. Turn off sleep mode on battery saver feature. For device that has sleep mode for battery saver feature, you will need to turn off this feature, because this feature will enable battery saver mode and turn off heart rate monitoring when sleeping. 4. Enter personal information and set sleep time. Set your valid birth date in the user settings in Garmin Connect. Also set your regular sleep and wake window. 5. Turn off any recording activities. Please make sure there are no active or paused activities on the device. This includes any activities that are saved for later under the Resume Later feature. 6. Wear your watch in advance. Make sure you wear your watch 2 hours in advance before sleep and continue to wear when sleeping. And that's it. For more details, please refer to the links in the video description section. Thank you for watching.